2015 Subaru BRZ got a terrible noise with the clutch in. We're gonna install our ultimate throwout bearing kit right now. All right, transmission out. There was an intermittent noise at idle, kind of hard to describe, but really apparent with clutch in, there'd be like a really bad scraping noise, and obviously this was the culprit. Yeah, that takes a ton of force to turn that guy. Again, really common, because this is an open face bearing, all this junk gets inside and destroys the ball bearings inside this throwout bearing assembly, which makes that happen. So what's our repair today? Ultimate throwout bearing kit from BGRS comes with this throwout bearing carrier, this beefy sealed throwout bearing. Just looking at these two guys side by side, it's pretty obvious which is going to be the more durable and long-lasting unit. Just as a comprehensive repair, we got our uprated Verus fork and pivot. The OEM fork is known to bend, wear out. The pivot point can actually break through on the fork. Brand new OEM clips from Subaru for the throwout bearing and fork. With the amount of labor it takes to remove the transmission, I usually recommend just replacing the clutch at the same time. In this instance, the owner wanted to inspect the clutch before we ordered a brand new clutch. Fair. So in this instance, we lucked out. This clutch disc and pressure plate are still in good shape, although I have seen the pressure plate fingers get severely damaged by a failed throwout bearing before, but luckily for the owner, this is not the case, and we are able to reuse his stock clutch and pressure plate assembly.